Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the failed to accept family invite error on Steam. So let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Steam application and then log in to your friend's Steam account on your own computer. After that, tap on Steam, then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, simply select Family. Inside Family, go ahead and simply tap on Create or Join a Steam Family. And inside here, your friend can invite your account to join. The key here is that both accounts must be on the same household network. Steam checks for this, so if you and your friend are not on the same network, the invite may fail. If you can, invite your friend over and log in to their account on your Wi-Fi. Once the invitation is sent, log out of your friend's account and switch back to your own. Then accept the invitation. After accepting, Steam will recognize both accounts as a part of the same household, and you should be able to use Steam Family without seeing that error. That's it. The easiest way to fix the problem is making sure both accounts are logged in and invited on the same network. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.